Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on Quick Guide. Today's video, I will guide you on how you can get logged into your Comcast Xfinity email account. Now follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to learn how to do it. Now before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, open up any web browser on your PC. And there on the URL bar, search for xfinity.com and press enter on a keyboard. And then you will be directly landed to its official homepage. Now in order to get logged into your Comcast email account, you have to tap on this profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. And then an expanded menu will appear on your screen. Now from the menu, tap on sign in button. Once you tap on it, you will be landed to its login page. Now there you have to type in email address, mobile number or the username that you have used to create your Xfinity ID. Now if you have forgotten your Xfinity ID, you can tap on find your Xfinity ID link and then follow all the on-screen prompts till the end to recover your Xfinity ID. Now once you're done with it, tap let's go button. And once you tap on let's go button, you will taken to the next page where you have to type in your account password. And after that, tap on sign in button. Get logged into your Comcast Xfinity email account. Now that's how easily and quickly you can get logged into your Comcast Xfinity email account. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.